Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up the caddy development web server. We're migrating to caddy web server as the NPM local web server is no longer receiving maintenance or feature updates. Okay, so the first step in this process is to head over to your web browser, search for caddy web server. You'll see it's at https://caddyserver.com. Click on that. You can click on the download button. Then there's an option right at the top. Make sure your platform's correct. I'm on Windows 64. Standard features are correct. Just click download. Wait for that to complete. Once it's complete, let me just wait for it to finalize. We can head over to the downloads folder. Now, for simplicity, let's straight away rename that to just caddy. We don't want that whole long path that we have to type out, so let's just call it caddy. And you can cut or copy. I'm going to cut here. I'm going to head through to my C drive. I'm going to go to pragmadev. For convention and for simplicity, I'm going to put this in pragmadev, create a new folder called caddy. I've already got one, but you create a new folder called lowercase caddy under pragmadev. You can paste this file in here. Mine already exists, but I'll paste this caddy file in this directory. These steps are identical basically for Windows 11. I'm going to copy the path. Then an important critical step is to set that in your environment path variable. So I've already got this open. You can find this by typing in your search, edit. I just started typing en environment and you'll click on edit system environment variables. It'll bring you up the screen. Click on environment variables here. And then I want to adjust my system path to add a entry for caddy, just like that. Click OK, click OK, click OK. At this point, make sure all IDEs are closed and all applications that host a terminal and any terminals themselves, such as PowerShell, command line, or Windows terminal. When you open a new terminal of any kind, you should be able to reach caddy now from any directory as it sits in your path. So no matter what directory you're at, whether you be at the root or pragmadev, you can reach caddy. It's just printing out the help and documentation. But obviously our main use case is in the client. I'm just going to show you that now. For the server devs, you'll open WebStorm. So you've probably been used to clicking run here. That runs the old NPM web server, local web server, or clicking run at the top here. You'll see there's a new command, run-caddy. You can use that to run the caddy file server. This will eventually become run once we've fully migrated over. But if you double click on that, you'll see it starts up the web server. If it's the first time you're running it, you'll need to click to accept the certificate. So a pop-up will open, please accept that certificate, allow it. And also allow the caddy file server through the firewall. A pop-up will open, just click on allow domain and local networks. You don't even need the domain, it could just be local. At this point, we can check to see that the server's running. So open your web browser. Now, I don't have my OnKey server running, but you should still see the concept that it will serve files, right? If I refresh here, you'll see the files are all being served. And it just can't reach the server, but it's running correctly. And I've tested this for the admin portal. I've put rules in for the admin portal. Everything should work as before. That is it. Thank you.